Guys, so in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can actually use Beacons.ai for affiliate marketing, guys. Actually, really easy and simple to do this. So first things first, you want to go to your store, okay? Go to your store, click here in this drop-down menu, click on store, and then just click on add a new product, okay? Click here to add a new product, and then click on the external link product type, okay? You're going to see a bunch of different product options. Click on external link. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste the affiliate link from the original seller, okay? Go get your affiliate link from them and paste it here on your store and click add. When you click add, guys, your affiliate link will be ready to be shared. So what's going to happen if you promote this and someone buys through this product, you'll get a commission, okay? You get affiliate commission. So you can go to your link in bio, you can pin this, like it's a pinned app. Go to your link in bio and click on the store block that you want to add the product to, okay? Just add it there. So you gotta add it to store, and then you just add the affiliate product. You can take this and add it there, okay? And now you're just ready to sell the affiliate product. So it's in your store. The affiliate product is part of your store, and if someone buys through it, you're gonna get commission, guys, okay? It's literally that easy and simple. So if the video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, guys, to Ninja Guy.